Hey guys, T here. I always carry a pocket knife. My dad carried a pocket knife. My grandfather carried a pocket knife. Seemed like a great idea that every once in a while you need a little knife to do something. This is what happened to me. Here's my knife. Look at this. It's it's missing little screws that hold it together. See, they're gone. And I knew if I went to the hardware store, there'd be no way I could find these little teeny screws. So I got to figure out what to do here. So please subscribe if you will. Let's get going. So here's where the screws go. They go in these little columns here. And brother, you're not going to find anything like this at the hardware store. So I messed around and I didn't know. I thought, well, I'll just have to throw this knife away. So this is what I did. I bought this big honker. Too much knife. So I started thinking, what am I going to do with this? Somebody has these teeny little screws. Here's two right now. I never used this little clip. I bet I'd take these boys off and stick them in here, and I got a fixed knife. Wow, that'd be cool. I got a little problem here. There's supposed to be a little post here. Wow. In my pocket with a bunch of junk as usual, but that looks like that post. I think I can fix this knife if I pull these two things out and put this post in. Wouldn't that be cool? I think I better put this little post in first. I can't believe it. I'm going to use some Loctite on the threads just to be sure I don't ever have to take this boy apart again. post is lined up. I'm not sure that these are really Allen nuts. They don't seem to fit very well. I seem to have, I think, both sizes. I wish I hadn't used a magnet on this. Nothing but trouble. So, it's been 20 minutes. Let's see what we got. I think I fixed this knife. I'm glad to say. I like this size. So I did learn one valuable lesson. If you're working with little teeny metal parts and screws and nuts and so on, don't put them in the magnetic cup because they all get magnetized and they'll stick together and just make your life crazy, as you could see. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.